What is black garlic? Health benefits of black garlic and how to use it. Everyone knows about garlic. You can use this flavorful allium vegetable in almost every recipe on the planet. You'll find it used in all types of cuisines, from Asian stir-fry dishes to Mexican tacos and Mediterranean sauces. It's a key component of condiments like aioli, and garlic bread wouldn't be the same without its namesake ingredient. If there is a problem with garlic, it's that pungent odor. Oh, boy, does it make your breath stinky. Luckily, there's a fermented version of garlic. Along with its reduced odor and mild flavor profile, there are all kinds of other health benefits of black garlic. What is black garlic? Black garlic is a staple of Asian cuisine and it's made during a month-long fermentation process. When exposed to heat for an extended period of time, the white garlic cloves turn black inside their skins. It's sweeter, softer, and has a smoother flavor than white garlic, but you can use it interchangeably in most recipes. During the fermentation process, the temperature and humidity are strictly controlled, so don't try making it yourself. Check out Asian markets or specialty stores for this unique ingredient and start adding it to your diet to gain these health benefits of black garlic. Health benefits of black garlic. Double the antioxidants. Black garlic has nearly twice the antioxidants as white garlic. These high levels of antioxidants can fight off free radicals that cause cancer, and they can also help prevent chronic diseases like Alzheimer's and heart disease. Help with weight control. A recent study found that including black garlic in your diet might help you burn more fat and lose weight faster. While it won't work like a magic pill, adding black garlic to your favorite foods may help speed up the weight loss process. Luckily, garlic flavors naturally pair so well with the best fat-burning foods. Protect against infection. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which normally begins to break down as soon as it's exposed to air. Since black garlic is fermented, this compound is readily available. That means you'll benefit from its antibiotic, antifungal, and antimicrobial benefits, helping protect your body against infection. Lower blood pressure. It's no substitute for your blood pressure medication, and you should definitely consult your doctor before making any changes in your diet, but studies show that compounds in black garlic may be used as a way to lower blood pressure. Regulate blood sugar. As if all these health benefits of black garlic weren't enough, the antioxidants in black garlic can help control oxidative stress brought on by diabetes, too. Read more about eating healthy as a person living with diabetes. Love content like this? Leave us a comment and let us know about it. You can also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and YouTube so that you never miss out on a healthy living tip or tasty weight loss recipe, and more.